idea or sense of how to do a speed reload from concealment? I hope so. It's definitely one of the things you kind of have to assess as you do it, just to kind of figure out what is the best possible location for your speed reload for concealment. If it is in your pocket, I always recommend having some sort of neo-mag. That's what I run. Essentially it's just a magnet with a clip on the side. So when I have this on my magazine, it basically just clips it into my pocket and it's stored in a position where I can always consistently grab it. Magazine pouches, that's fine too. Just make sure that when you're running the magazine pouch with concealment that it doesn't print too much. That's one of the biggest concerns, especially here in Hawaii. We're mostly wearing t-shirts and board shorts the whole time. Very rarely will you be wearing a plaid shirt unless you're like a hipster or something. For me, so. And again, if you guys are running outside the waistband, it's totally fine. I'm glad you guys are getting the reps in, but yeah, if you guys learned something, maybe take away from like all the other thank you guys. So we are going to run a build drill next. So it's going to be 5 shots on target. For this, we're going to need 1 magazine of 10 rounds, and we're going to need 2 mags of 5 rounds. Okay. So again, 1 magazine, 10 rounds, and 2 mags of 5 rounds. Normally 6 rounds, but just due to the magazine capacity here, we're going to run 5 rounds on target. So a build drill is 5 rounds as fast as you can. For this course, we're going to do it at your own pace on target to the torso of the center target, or whichever target of your pick. And this is going to give you guys, the main point I want you guys to take away from this drill is once you come from a holster draw, you want to make sure you have a really good grip on the gun, because if you have a sloppy grip, your shot's going to be all over the place, essentially. So with the build drill, it is going to be high round count. It's going to be almost as if like you're just blasting rounds down range, but the main thing you want to pay attention to is making sure you have good grip on it, and you have good control over the gun, with this like picture over your target. Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate this. We're going to do 2 types, or 2 iterations of the build drill. It's just going to be 5 rounds for holster. We have you guys do holster. Again, on buzzer, come back up, holster, from gun out of your holster, 5 rounds, and then the last one's going to be 5 rounds, speed reload, and 5 rounds. Okay. We'll demonstrate it.
I'm gonna get it behind everybody.
On target, make sure you have good grip and control what you got.
Sure. Are you ready? Stand by.
Yeah, on target. So it's going to be on the torso center target. Next thing we're going to do afterwards is going to be the speed reload.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. He's clear.
110.
Sorry, 10. So the first 2 runs we're going to do is just 5 on target. And then after you guys finish that magazine of 10 rounds, we're going to have you load your 5-round magazine in. Do 5 and then speed reload 5 the last magazine. That makes sense?
Yeah. So we're gonna make sure your info will make sure that
Just make sure you know which magazine has 10 rounds and which magazine has 5 rounds.
I don't think I heard you do another 5. Did something catch up?
I thought it was 5. Do 5, reload 5. Yeah, it was the next one. So two 5s, and then the last one is the.
Take your 10-round magazine in hand.
Yeah, see, block bite's getting there.
Guns out of your holster and
So I
have
hated
it
the
load.
43 from the beginning.
Yeah, gotta get used to it. Give it some love. Switch to these though.
Oh yeah, looking good now.
At least it's getting toward the center.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. 5.
Gotta get a
Chill.
cadence. That's
Yeah.
But my problem is I think I'm shooting it right here
Yeah.
instead of right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick my finger in.
Once the shooters are holstered, RSOs, thumbs up. All right, shooters. You're gonna do 5 shots on target. Get back to compress, ready, and then holster. All right, final group. 10-round magazine in hand. Admin load. Reload 3 times. Shooters, do 5 rounds on target. Come back to compress, ready, and then reholster. Shooters ready, stand by. Five rounds on target. Stand by. Alright, shooters. It's going to be 5 rounds on target, speed reload, and then 5 shots on target. Stand by. Shooters, once you're done, unload, sounds clear. Hammer down and hold Alright, so does everybody have a general idea of price shooting? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 1 magazine of 10 rounds and then 2 magazines of 5 rounds. For this drill, we're going to do target transition. We're going to get a magazine 10 rounds and 2 magazines of 5 rounds. Alright, bring it in, pop ears if you need to. So, next drill we're going to run is called Modified El Presidente drill. We're going to do 2 shots to the body on target, 1 shot to the head on target. You don't have to go left to right, go right, center, and then left if you want to. Main thing with this is you want to make sure you give appropriate for the index card right here. So you can shoot these 2 side targets first, but you need to slow down and make sure you have a good sight picture. When you look at the index card, speed back up, and hit 2 shots back on target. Okay. Eyes and ears. It's going to be 2, 1, and then 2. Yep. So it's going to be a 10-round magazine first.
Motor make ready. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
Yeah, it's going to be 2 shots, 1 to the head, and then 2 shots. For the next iteration of the drill, we're going to do 2 shots, 1 shot to the head, 2 shots, speed reload, 2 shots, 1 to the head, and then 2 shots. Okay?
And if you didn't notice, Angelo had a malfunction. He cleared his malfunction and got back on target. And you're expected to do the same.
Are you ready? Stand by. Range is clear.
Alright, make sense to everybody? Alright, ones, up on line. Ready? Stand by. holster when finished.
So are you down one round?
No, they went back in.
Oh, okay, because I thought I saw something come out.
All right, as a reminder, you may need to slow down for that index card. Make sure you get good sight picture, good sight alignment.
It's fast, slow,
Right.
fast.
RSOs, thumbs up when ready. Shooters ready. Stand by.
Load, make ready for the next one.
Shooters, take your 5-round magazine and load them into your gun.
Switch guns.
Yeah, I got 3 of them. I figured I'd, turn all of them.
I don't know what to do. Different colors.
All right, RSOs, thumbs up and ready.
Yeah, make sure you're scared.
Shooters, 2 shots to the side target. 2 shots to the index card, 2 shots to the side target, speed reload, and then re-engage the target. Same order. Stand by. At this point, you should be empty. RSOs, unload and show clear.
It's not as zeroed as the other one. It's like feel them.
All right, once everybody is holstered, pick up your magazines, step offline.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I think I messed up.
All right, 2s, up online. All right, RSOs, ensure that.
In the neck. Yeah,
Shooter, 10-round magazine. Have in, load your gun.
throat shot. I need a dog. I trained on dog. CCW is no dog. That way you get trained to.
Go to hill.
Yeah.
The high ground.
Shooters ready. Stand by.